What's up guys, my name is Stefan and welcome to 2020. Can you believe that it's already 2020? So happy new year, this is day 7 and today I'm going to tell you my 2020 resolution. So hopefully you had a great New Year's and let's get on with the 2020 resolutions. So this is my last year in this school, so I want to finish that. And also we have prom, which means that going to prom I want to look awesome. After the prom I want to get into a good university, but in the meantime, like when I finish school until I start going to university, I want to get a job and hopefully I'll have my driver's license by then, and with the money that I earn from the job I want to buy myself a car. So in this new decade, this new year, I want to be more active on YouTube, on TikTok, and every other social media that I have. Also, I want to go on a long vacation because the longest that I've been on vacation is 10 days and I want to go for a month, I guess. I want to get even more tattoos because like 2 isn't enough. I have a lot in mind and they do have meaning. Like a lot of people ask, do your tattoos even have meaning? Because like that's an astronaut. What could an astronaut have meaning for? But it has meaning for me, and if I want to get more tattoos, I will get more tattoos. Also, once it gets warm, I'm going to move back into my office, but before I move, I want to finish renovating it. I want to make new friends. I mean, I will make new friends because I'm going to a university at a different place. Like, I know everybody in this school, and I'll meet, like, new people in the university. So, I'm going to meet new people. I'm going to make new friends. Also, I'm going to set a high standard for my YouTube channel. I want to pass 1,000 subscribers because, like, it's been 5.5 years and I'm only at 800 subscribers, so help me do that. So those are my 2020 resolutions. Let me know what your resolutions are down below in the comments and I'll read them, like see what you have in mind. Maybe I'll even add, of course I'll add new ones, but you can help me add new ones. So welcome to 2020, I guess. This has been the first video of Playlists of Jericho and actually the first video on my channel in this new decade. So I'll see you all later. Bye, stay strong.